Manever I say ma PENDREAM TV. PENDREAM TV there, osia dem yopo.
Into Godfrey Damian challenges special prosecutor. And at 2025 NDC yabai. Yaba abayamono. 2025 to 20 from 2025 January to December. Yan challenge. And yabesi 2026 mo. January yan challenge. February yan challenge. March. And I see there be 2 minutes. You see a special prosecutor no. When you say 2 minutes, and you go Supreme Court, you are going to chirichirimo. When you are telling you, first let it be on record. Say, yes, this will be a yamwa be wumpuma chia. Udim pamuda.
Yeah.
Na se ni kaka no se ebo di shemra due. Sanso ne ebo di tumra guso a peni se due. Ye chiche din na kwaji wono kwa se bi na onyi din bia. It's on record say under NDC government within 1.5 years and of filing petition at the comma President Mahama say special prosecutor nankasa kra no wa bon yenyi fro yankasa almost scrap office of special prosecutor special prosecutor wa bon yenyi fro na President Mahama so a conveyor belt and the comma Chief Justice and a Chief Justice hwem no so ni nyina so no prima facie was established enti anya juma
okay
wo free one no ano na NDC emrase bedwafo mienu a omunya just ordinary MPs omunya leaders majority leader and the majority chief whip honorable Mahama Yarega and the honorable Roxinda Fiamakpo say almost sponsor private bill na fan scrap the office of the special prosecutor. Emma Speaker Kraka said the office of the special prosecutor is unconstitutional. Then President Mahama came and said, and because of that, they didn't go ahead with their private bill. No.
Okay.
Then, after a few months, the legal advisor, Omampeni, Nipo to Omampeni Fu, Ewamra, Attorney General, Aku Supreme Court to say, Office of Special Prosecutor only 2 means of a prosecuted case without or no Attorney General authorization because the Article 88 Clause 4 and no. So within 1 year, NDC are used to all organs of government. First, through the executive president. Second, through parliament. Third, judiciary. Say they will challenge the constitutionality of the office of the special prosecutor. Some of them were even hoping say that office should be scrapped. Tina Meka say, se bo din shemra due. Sanso ne bo din tumra guso a due. Na so bia ye mo aso be wumpuma cha odin empamoda. Okay. Yan call law school. Yan lawyers. Okay. Oko at 959 omdi creative office of the special prosecutor. Section 4 was say mandate of the office. And I watch roho. Minya parliamentarian was say except as observed or say except as otherwise provided in the Constitution. The office is not subject to the direction or control of a person or an authority in the performance of their functions of the office. Or say office way said the constitution mono. Or na juma obi antimi nkyere ne de onye. Oba eye ohoya 1 oba 2 say subject to clause 4 of the Article 88 of the Constitution, the office shall for the purposes of this act be authorized by the Attorney General to initiate and conduct the prosecution of corruption and corruption related offenses.
Okay.
Was say in reference and as subject to the Article 88 clause 4 Attorney General and the betting prosecutor will be announced will be Attorney General.
Appointed to me, Amano.
Amani to me. Way OSP Act 959. Okay. And Tihono Achim say, even with this act, no, office of the special prosecutor, no, here the authorization of the Attorney General.
Okay.
And there is established fact at the whole. Now, Oko special prosecutor for no omo art ni mu a. Now Oko section 78. Section 78. Regulation 78. My main country we say the minister. No, regulation 70 say the minister shall within 90 days upon the assumption of the office of the special prosecutor in consultation with the board by legislative instrument make regulation to A, prescribe the manner for tracing tainted property.
Okay.
No. Okay, my main count first one. It was the minister shall within 90 days upon the assumption of office of the special prosecutor in consultation with the board by legislative instrument make regulations to say. Now you're creating office of special prosecutor now within 90 days, Minister of Justice or non Attorney General with consultation of the board because special prosecutor they were board. Team make it regulations. Regulation and she and to tear a juma mobabe. Okay. With that, and Attorney General Gloria Kufu. As I call Parliament legislative instrument LI. A year 2374. Catch as more call Gloria Kufu. Or say, Office of the Special Prosecutor Operations Regulations 2018. Prosecution. Or say, decision to prosecute. The special prosecutor or an authorized officer shall, upon considering the facts and evidence gathered from an investigation, take a decision whether or not to prosecute.
Whether or not
to prosecute.
Okay.
Okay, so we seek Attorney General permission before because Attorney General no and now Parliament and creative office of the special prosecutor. And now special prosecutor act and say office in we are within 90 days put in here regulations. Yeah. And we hear another LI. I'm about in 2374 and 274. 274 no say prosecution. And now Attorney General naka say office of the special prosecutor. Oh to me so beti me ayen hwehwemu. Yeah. Oba prosecutor upon prosecute. So now what it means is sad to me near the man no article 88 clause 4 no what the biama wo special prosecutor say ubeti me prosecute wa and sa who hear me permission bio sa be na lawyer for na mo Ghana ha yan call law school enti Gloria Kufu na edisa ade we koye that was 26 November 2018. 2018. Okay. And Gloria Kufu, Attorney General for 4 years. 2021 to 2024. Godfrey Dame. Godfrey Dame by one challenge because Office of Special Prosecutor, the government institution, twasosa, and to say Obekas wine from Subi, Okwakwasano, twasosa, and to twasosa. Right. And NDC by. And after 1 year, and this is Debbie. Saturday no the share na nyamra Attorney General yen say no media before war a special prosecutor be prosecution who hear me permission because article 88 clause 4 say who hear me permission. So what argument
does that supposed to mean say was it why na Akwanoma
special prosecutor
na ontimi was he prosecuting?
Is he? Oh, let me move on so that I want the person me matters here simple. Said you na betiasi. Okay. And because Gloria Kufu, Ejina Attorney General namely Ghana by name this year sa act we by the creator of the special prosecutor. Ekofa LI 2374. Esaka say who to me say who abet by investigating open no prosecutor and prosecuting yam authorizing or the team yamano. Because of that, Godfrey Dame by didn't see anything wrong with it. Anything what the Juma. Ena Dr. Yeni Aba. And I say there's everything wrong with it. Because a contravening the Article 80 clause 4 no.
Yes, it does.
Anything no. Before I obey Juman, hear permission from me. Okay. President Mahama by na Kufuado, ewo airline be a permitting mining in the forest. President Mahama by ya reserves. Who say M1 no. First, or you fiat and make some period be say, Ubia and Conco mining our forest reserve.
Yeah.
Because any perpetuity in Tino, a brand no, or one call parliament, and no more repealing that airline. Yes, I know, yes. And then, Untimin call forest reserve and Conco mining. Me bow. Yan fan is say Gloria Kufu, and na decided by unconstitutional. And the predecessor, Godfrey Dame. And so and oh yeah, and now Obenfo Dr. Ayeni Abehu wako parliament a repeal. Wako parliament. Wako parliament a revoke. Debbie. And wako Supreme Court. Say ohia interpretation.
Yeah.
Oko Supreme Court no. One can't Supreme Court say before cry Supreme Court ede ni final determination beba no. Supreme Court and order say special prosecutor and hand over all his prosecuting cases to no attorney general. And now say on quash all convictions. Cases as to office of special prosecutor did for the past 8 years. On training in them AG and demand. The one was say Supreme Court and church and no say I was say special prosecutor beje and ready free her. And now ready to me different as one free. Supreme Court in Yenis Assembly.
Yeah.
Then Obia special prosecutor prosecute no High Court. And we say na say we 2 minutes dem ma wo no. Nipa already 2 minutes so we need to me. And to obisa say capacity bet na wa be. Based on that and Accra High Court first say ono na order say Attorney General and taking over cases. All cases are special prosecutor prosecuting. The question is, why now High Court say or challenge the authority of the special prosecutor? Now, you can't say constitutional interpretation. Yeah, a lawyer for you and a catcher say the only court of the land I to interpret the constitution is Supreme Court. Omoka High Court.
Supreme Court.
Okay. Now the High Court now give you what I say. Supreme Court to crown for the determination my Wo Attorney General take over all cases special prosecutor edi hu adwuma. And that sorry ya Accra High Court asama order say cases special prosecutor did from 2017 na watwam.
How?
The Attorney General and Sanchez cases na sidim. So what it means ni say special prosecutor do be court. The past 8 years no odi for na na to afia say ni pan na we say you know.
Yeah, you know.
So special prosecutor will be court and your born cat sell La Bianca the late. You gain 1 million so 2,000 went under paying tax or your J no. I was sell La Bianca Bushia 4. And what you says I was buying choices can the mama. Name Attorney General I want to say side cases in who here ope say or prosecuting or didn't could they are fine. But until then no Obi bia the special prosecutor no court 8 years in ye bia no so bia kwagina de.
But it is only the Supreme Court that has the powers to interpret law.
And my question is say when I go can this for be di watem no now Supreme Court no emfa the decision mai enti se wo china ye da sorry na Supreme Court so akotena Dr. Yeni asimo de Supreme Court so or challenge this office of the special prosecutor constitutionality e decree no. No, because oh yes, per this act and blah 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 no special prosecutor and constitutional. What will happen to the orders are High Court na making no. And today is this High Court no going ahead to make declaration and orders once even the Supreme Court are the biggest in the case in my. Yeah, no aduane. Ye ofufu enwonwie na onom ho nkwan. Enti on basic of common sense and logical reasoning, I see everything wrong.
Of course it is wrong.
Say yeah, na Supreme Court no be dia asem no kra ka say before kra metena asem no so no. Special prosecutor for case nyina ma Attorney General. And na say cases bi a wadi bia no anti-semi the final determination be ba ne dia fine. But high court no ayen ko hono na high court mom na decide e give you orders e kwahye na no me video bi mom di matem me ka say this attorney general yeni waboa Kenofurata case papa se ne Kenofurata baga na nkoya dwe na sa eye extradition we no ene bibia aye grand zero eye null and void etwam me medwen objectively wo ye minua na so ya de na nya meka tro me ya nwrani ene titi ye wo masantimam titi masantimam mu asantifo baby say afisem nya ntomago ne esi atabonten enti ade ne nya kra sabontisifo be hu de ne katakata so ana nwrafo so baby say said no kra da wo ma me nantem na se bi odi obema ko yi a na wo fa ne so the chance say here nwrafo a doctrine no it doesn't matter the consequences speak the truth
period
kanokre OSP ene de Kenofurata koto Interpol red alert say akwa we di bone mehwehwe no enti be obetu kwa akọ be bia monche no before that na Kenofurata okọ ne travel records no okọ UK no okọ other places womade ne to Interpol red alert no after the Kenofurata was confined in US not onko ba bia bio Ekoso na attorney general and deputy chief say so mo media engagement or a press conference ana okoka say special prosecutor crown file Kenofurata docket Mbreno
yeah
and a smart Kenofurata lawyers go back to Interpol so special prosecutor and cross here client na body no attorney general ko no na central power ne say oni body awaye nti ade ntina de nipa no to wanted list so and you free red alert and Kenofurata e wo ho na special prosecutor in the process. Last year, special prosecutor prepared a packet including the charge sheet bonia waye nyina ano de bra wa attorney general because when I the central authority what they buy you know one objective and also ma kwa na push here na do come Ghana by na musi or so for where Ghana na ma na nsem so foreign affairs and a foreign affairs transmitted na ko US I ne Kenofurata sha sia o face extradition charges wo hono now once a case ni course no nas attorney general ako Supreme Court say wo kura say to me no akuta was special prosecutor no who ni say to me no what it means ni say sa extradition process no
it is null and void especially when the High Court has given orders say every conviction bia special prosecutor atimi achieve since 2017 be seen no wakwashi ni nyina no it means Kenofurata extradition no? As we speak there's no extradition the Kenofurata of Magana ne e Magana china midika bu be say so bia ye mo be wu mpumacha odi mpamu da enti se na Kenofurata a Magana e hwantia. Can we blame the special prosecutor or we blame the attorney general? We blame the attorney general.
Very good. What it means is say ene afena attorney general ne pe. So ono so be beginning. Let's assume say Supreme Court we di case we ya special prosecutor case nyina free nsem no nkro de ba ne ya. Afena was attorney general ne she process for nase. Na nsam ye press conference video na me ka say. Per this say you can special prosecutor office ni ye unconstitutional. What it means ni say cases bi a wadi bia no e null and void.
It doesn't hold.
Almost say no law can be passed retrospectively, so you cannot take effect from the past. Minya lawyer and the High Court will give you order.
Yeah.
Say cases as office of the special prosecutor are winning. Any day we winning from 2017 na we twem.
Only prosecutorial powers.
Man call law school, man come akola ne kusua
common sense.
Man call cater the kusua me the common sense because Nyankopon bo me perfect human being. Nipa bia Nyankopon bo ye pepepe o my adwen ne nyansa na sometimes ye biasness and na my endwin objectively. Me objective thinker, objective reasoner and me I don't care.
Critical thinker.
Say papa meka e bone a meka so
logical reasoner
omudi matem ene da ho no
but Sammy, if it happens this way
before that no twa dey be another funny thing eno one na deputy attorney general beka chair say omudi mraso and the sa orders na High Court wa ama say AG office in taking all cases as special prosecutor no they are taking steps to enforce that ruling, and I said that order. And then not the same Attorney General, Deputy, no?
Yeah, so them say.
Yes, Wasabe say, or say, AG's office will grant OSP prosecution authorization on request. Or say, oh yes, say special prosecutor, Ababe Siki permission ya de bemano. Anye bia orders na High Court de Maye no. Or ka say, AG should go ahead and grant any authorization to special prosecutor on request. Order ne say, take over the cases in
Take over the cases.
Order ne say, the cases are already conviction in our
Which
one can baby I say
it doesn't hold.
One can baby I say the special prosecutor be go to the man authorization at the man. It is also a law abiding deputy attorney general. And for that matter, we be sure say High Court order no is enforced. How dare you go to another station and say special prosecutor no basically authorization there with the man? Are you lying to yourself? And you don't want to say you na nyimi. Me and fire fear nyansa misa simple questions. Because the company here 8 years in opposition. Me kanyama me fa mu a. Tachimai yet radio so NPP tax is for more try. I was kicked out 2021, 2022. You to me kwatra be feel uncompleted. Less than 1 month no say to me. So me come across a match I'll be the last person to fight against this government. But I will never sit down so be ye bibi ne koye na me me free say sa adwene nyansa na Nyankopon de ma me a me di gina konko de ma NDC no ene ne ko bankru mama me nka ho asem.
Is it out of confusion?
The whole case
yeah.
So what's so by for say High Court order and say take over all cases as special prosecutor prosecute. We nullify every conviction as special prosecutor yeah. Who Attorney General who see the case will name say special prosecutor ever requested for authorization there with the man. If it's about authorization there, why don't you authorize him in the first place?
Yeah.
These are basic questions, simple questions, common sense questions. And you don't want to ask these questions. Tell me, how popular is this needless fight between special prosecutor in making this government? Is it making this government popular?
No.
And you don't want us to talk about it?
No. I don't know whether it's out of confusion. And now say it's a one with the yajne and omudi diagro. And now say buapayo.
Baby or chichira buano. Parliament na ma kufuado mla elai. Awo timi ema. Yeko to mining our forest reserve. President Mahama bae no. Ese pata papio to edem na raw.
Yeah.
President Mahama bae no wanye tinti say me supreme leader. Ghana for over 2 million vote difference. And me supreme leader to the mechanic final. Or my parliament when they call repeal is ally no. And it's a special prosecutor act no unconstitutional. And I say AG what you ba who say ya. Why don't you go to parliament and repeal it?
Yeah.
Why? And why has it taken you more than 1 year? Something that you knew said unconstitutional way back in 2017. All these years from 2015 January, 2025 January to December, what were you waiting for? When you know, say the office of the special prosecutor now need to me to prosecute.
But Sammy, my problem has got to do with even the Supreme Court hasn't come in with their vet, whatever. High Court, no, Supreme Court.
That's the question. I may say Ghana need be objective.
So we need to ask.
I say Supreme Court. Yenchemuni kwa kwaje. Yesu dika court wana wuni bem. It could be say, Attorney General. The case no the kwa na de. It could be say Supreme Court may say yes. Ampa per Article 88 Clause 4 no. Won kwa na wo to me so prosecute. I know be amani to me. Now once a woman special prosecutor power ne there won't mean prosecute. But enumpo no this act in the creative special prosecutor no. The then Attorney General no amani to me through the LI 23774 no. Amani to me and it's office and now repeal here. The Supreme Court di say empower some no mu a. Name me ko ba say ebubo. Say Supreme Court Attorney General won say ma okay di nim me share act 9 the creative special prosecutor act 959 nam ko ya at 23 74 and so then Attorney General Glorious Kufu the man to me so betima prosecute without authorization they all can anymore. What will happen to the other senators high court in the day, man? And to my misasa questions way. And to send NPP na this one and kasadi we cause wa and every objective thinker of NDC or NDC inclined and to go misat these pertinent questions.
Yeah, Anka Obebisa. Because we need to ask. I see a bisa because basa onim dodo na sebiota frache etoaba edema the ruling government the NDC with the ideas and you may be a course war my especially kind of oriata and then associating you may be kwam the Ghana faso nimus and Cambrabe man so kwasa say it is going to be so difficult for the same people who voted NDC into power to vote again come 2028 and it's going to be difficult, so we have to be careful. Sammy baby as a sample for a bemo ansana Supreme Court no be interpreted law no emfema na yentiase na yehuni ye yes and yes be ha
ajewonim ya mind this MPP for we free bonus because MPP for a case against special prosecutor not because say omu believe say unconstitutional but omu believe say that office was created to fight NDC. But at the end of the day, the office of the special prosecutor no fight MPP more, causing more harm to MPP. Special prosecutor in a clear President Mahama from that Airbus issue. Special prosecutor no and a ma yes Cecilia Dapa case in the issue. Special prosecutor no prosecute MPP officials be brave until they want that office scrapped. Not because to them no, not because they're unconstitutional, but because the special prosecutor na enye juma na almost one pay. And in one side, Oko biti say former Attorney General, I'm afraid lawyer Expōse.
Yeah.
And MPP, Makokwe. Oh yes, from onset na ne nim sem rane de enye nenso de buy. And Ghana for are giving listening ears to some penny for amambofo mienu. Aaron Makokwe. Our number tutu tata is our son or theatre at the chim. Aaron Makokwe and Ghana for Central Fortune microphone said a discredited old man. Discredited old man. Discredited evil old man. Also, Nimumra said 2017 on one Kasa MPP. No, Aaron Makokwe was the Speaker of Parliament.
Yeah.
When him say na etiamra, but obunani go so because when him say office the special prosecutor no eba be fight NDC. And tie ba yan fight NDC be fight MPP no mo opposition e de ene enwu and tie ne also what kind of say when him say unconstitutional. Expōse was a former Attorney General. Was MPP ni also when him say na unconstitutional but omunyina buomani go so and Ghana Central for still engaging this wicked, discredited old men in our society. We are celebrating omo. No bit we China bi no wa. Yes, we a statesman. Ni akojina na ye ready tribute ni aba na baso blah 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 blah. We mu tina de bia make cha say omo ma Ghana from eyenkrofo so ma school. Enye omo man ko school. Omo so ma ko school no. Omadwe omo se omunim nyansa sin obia na do mo beka bia no manfo betie. And they use their mind instead of building a society, a just society for the unborn generation. They will use their mind to steal.
All right.
The state to make themselves rich. We are na ye no omuja ye chire omatiti apansam no. Na ya sa heli omo so ye heroes. This is the society we are building.
This is the society we are building. I am trusting and believing. Say, and 10 times so I know the Supreme Court will also come out with their interpretation so that you Ghana for ina ebeho. But what we understand that the little common sense that we have, and media to me, I mean, come on, we actually saying, I say anything, can't say, you better home and come, but
Dedi kama amena PENDREAM TV ase. Na so far so good. Say open online portal e wo Ghana. Nipa share, nipa follow, nipa comment here. To my best of knowledge, without any biases. PENDREAM TV.